Okay, so now I've opened the controller, and we can see that this is the broken module inside the Vader 5 Pro controller. So right now I'm going to take it out. After I'm done taking it out, I'm going to put in the new pillars I got, the 3D model pillars, to like fix it. If this works, that means people can just 3D print and fix the paddle of the Vader 5 Pro. So right now I've taken this out, so I'm not going to touch it. I'll just leave it like this. And now I'm going to take this out, the paddle, the back paddle. Oh, I can't take it out fully, so I think I have to unscrew this. So I'm trying not to make the video so long, so I'm unscrewing this now. Don't mind me, I'm using the tissue papers to like know the screw parts, so I don't mistake the screw for another part. So that's why I'm using the screw. So basically, so now it's open. I've unscrewed it. So basically I'm taking, to fix the paddles, I have to take this out completely. I'm not going to use this, but you can 3D print this also. You can 3D print this part and also use it to replace it if it's broken. I don't know, but you can do that. So for me, I'm not going to use it, and I just have to put in my stuffs back. Once I'm done with that, I just seal in the controller. So I'm done with that. I don't need it, so I just put in this. Nice. So I just put in this, then I'm going to screw this back in. So once I'll take this off right now. So usually when I'm done when I take this out, you don't need it anymore. And you just, when you take that out, screw in this back, and you put in the screwdriver for this at the point where you took this out, and you just close your controller back. After you close your controller, you just, let me just show you how it's going to look like. So once you've done that, you close your controller. Once you've closed your controller, you've put all the parts in. This pillar, this 3D printed pillar, is going to go in this slot. I only recommend if you have a broken paddle. If you don't have, if your paddles are not broken yet, just leave it as it is. But if it's not, you just use this. So you just put it in this slot and also here. So there's like, there are two pillars basically. There are two pillars. So you put these pillars after you're done with taking out this module, this plastic. Okay guys, okay, so this is the end product right now. When I took out this, the broken mechanism inside the Vader 5 Pro, after I took it out, if you can see clearly, you can see the broken part. So I took it out. Then the 3D printed pillars are like this. So it's usually like this. So they're like this. So I don't have a stand, so this is how it is. This is how the pillars are, and when you close the controller, this is how it's going to look like. So you put in the pillars in this circle, the blue circle you can see inside, and this is also a 3D printed paddle. So the pillars, these pillars go in here, goes in this circle here. So when you place these pillars, I'm doing everything with one hand. So when I place these pillars inside this, when I place the pillars inside this, it's going to be like this in the controller. So I have it same at both paddles here and here. Then you just put in this like this, put it in. Yeah, once it's in, that's it. You can play your game. But if you feel like it's too loose, I will say you can still put like the door stoppers here, the silicone door stoppers, you can put it here. So that's it. As you can see, I put the stoppers on the 3D printed paddles. So I'm going to apply another stopper on this one also. And okay, so I'm done. You can see I put the 3D stopper, the silicone stoppers on the 3D printed module. And yep, so now it just has to go inside. If you look at the controller, you can see the two pillars, this one and this one. So you just place it inside. And the funny part about this is that it's even way more responsive than the previous paddle before it got broken. So that's it. I'm trying to record and insert it at the same time. Yep. Yeah, so that's it. So this is how it looks. There's no much difference. You can't even tell the difference basically. So this is how it looks. And let me get into the FlyDigi app, Space Station app, and I'll show you guys it's being responsive in the FlyDigi app. Okay, so I'm in the FlyDigi Space Station application. So right now you can see the back buttons is marked to A and B, and here also you can test it, and so you can hear it face off and see it face off. Okay, see, these are the paddles. Focus. Okay, these are the paddles, left and right. You see when I click on it, you see A, because I banded my left paddle to A, and for my right paddle B, you can see B, and you can hear how clicky it is. So that's it. I will tag the person who I got the 3D printers from, and you can download it and go to your any nearest 3D printing shop and get yours printed out. Bye bye.